Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Right now, I have a very easy craft, okay? We are about to make, we're gonna use this from Hobby Lobby, this beautiful sign, white oval wood sign with beaded trim. I did not paint this. This is exactly how it came, y'all. Is that not amazing? We're doing it up and down like this because we're making a Christmas tree, okay? We're making a Christmas tree and it's gonna be the easiest thing you've ever seen. And I got some ideas using these little wood slices. I'm gonna do the tree with those wood slices. Then I'm gonna use this pine cone that I saved from my last project that I did live. You may remember that I said, we're gonna save these pine cones because, you know, you may wanna use it sometime. Well, today's the time. So let's talk about the supplies, okay? So there was 12 little wood slices like I showed a minute ago. They're the little thick ones for $4.99 with 60% off. So I got these for less than $2, y'all. Then this was $12.99 with 40% off. So however much that ends up being. So there's not much invested in this project to make a really pretty piece for your home. So what we're gonna do first, let's just get to it, because it's self-explanatory, but we're gonna take these wood slices and it's almost like Jenga or Tetris or however you wanna. We're gonna kinda ease them in here to get it to go down into a tree. So let's just get started. I've got my hot glue gun, raring to go over here. And I'm just barely putting in, you just really don't hardly need any glue. I think before I glue all these down, that's my top one, I know, because it's my smallest one. But we're gonna go ahead and just place them down and make sure how we wanna lay them out and then leave them there and then glue them. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. You know, even though I had to shimmy around a little bit over here, it was very quick. All you do is literally glue them down. And this tree could be done, y'all, okay? Ta-da, we have a tree. This tree is super cute. Clearly, I said it hangs like this. I'm gonna snip it off, and I am going to glue it across the top so that it'll hang like this, okay? So if you want to just leave it, then hey, leave it. You got a really pretty neutral tree. I wanna add some berries, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what I wanna do. So these berry stems right here are gorgeous. I'm just here to tell you they're very long. They are very long. But obviously I'm gonna trim off some berries. So they're frosted, amazingly frosted. And then they were $11.99 and 60% off, okay? So I'm cutting these down to the nub at each one. And then I'm literally, board came from Hobby Lobby. It all came from Hobby Lobby. Every single thing I'm using, actually. And then I'm just gonna fill in these blank spaces with my berries, okay? It might look ugly at the end, it might look cute, I don't know. Here, let me just show you what it's looking like so far. So our whole goal is to fill in all these spaces with berries, but we still have leaves that we can use, and we still have this that we can fill in the blanks. So I'm not even kidding. We can do so many great things with this. Okay, this is what we've got so far. I'm gonna do the outsides, I'm gonna add more. I just like to show you as I go along, okay? But that's looking really pretty, okay? I'm not even kidding. Okay, so the top of the tree is right here. In a typical tree that I would decorate, I would have all the fun stuff coming out the top. So I thought it might be fun to do that on this. All right, so let me just show you what it's looking like now once I add a few of these sprigs. This is gonna end up just being, I don't even know what it's gonna look like. We're just gonna keep rolling with it. I know for sure that I want this to be just, I don't even know the word for it, all over the place. I'm gonna do a couple of the balls, the little white balls, because they're really pretty. So we're gonna add a little bit of these. Okay, I'm just adding these to some of the actual greenery because they look really pretty on it. And then I think we're gonna call it good in just 1 second after I add a little bit of the white. Because honestly, from my angle, it really looks good. And hopefully y'all like it too, but if not, in the end, as long as I like it, I guess that's all that matters. And like I told y'all, it was made to go like this. All I do is a little snip snip and change it like this and we'll be good. Okay, So we got a really pretty tree right here, y'all. Look how cute that is. I'm not kidding. I think that is absolutely adorable. So I did the little wood slices. Everything's from Hobby Lobby, and I made a tree in the shape of a tree using all of the wood slices. Then I filled in the blank space with berries from a big berry stem that I snipped. Then another stem that I had, I snipped it apart and then used a little bit of the greenery to kind of go up and down. Then I took the little white balls off some of the greenery. I didn't use them all, but I used a few, and I kind of added those in. And then I used a long little skinny pine cone as the base. So I personally, to be completely honest, I think this turned out absolutely adorable, and I'm done. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you thought it was fun to do. I have an idea to use this wood slice. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I've got this wood slice. I just love buying wood slices. And using what's left of all this stuff to make another tree with the extra greenery. Y'all have a great night, and I am actually about to do a reel to share with y'all that's gonna show a little mini Dollar General haul that has some really cute stuff in it. So y'all just keep watching the page. I've got lots more coming for you. Bye guys, y'all have an awesome night.